Okay, let's get started. We're going to start our first lesson for our volume unit with perimeter and area. Now remember, perimeter and area are different than volume because perimeter and area are for 2D shapes that are flat, like squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles. And volume is for 3D shapes. So let's just get started with a little review on perimeter and area. The first thing you have to do to find the perimeter and area is one, just figure out what shape you're dealing with, okay? So let's look at this one below us. This is the shape of what? Well, there's only one number here. And when there's one number, you could just assume that everything else is the same. So that's probably a 12. Actually, I know it's a 12, and that's a 12, and that's a 12. And what do we call something with 4 equal sides? That's right, it's a square. Okay? So the first step is just identify what you're dealing with. This is a square. Now, we're going to give you all the volume formulas. All you have to do is apply them. Now, to find the area of a square, all you have to do is take the side and square the side length. That's simple. So if I know the side length is 12, I just take 12 and square it. So the area of this square is 144. All right? That's just 12 squared. The perimeter form for that is 4 times the length of the side. Okay, so if I want to find the perimeter, all I have to do is take 4 and multiply it by the length of the side, which in this case is 12. Okay, so 4 times 12 gives me, that's right, 48. So this has a perimeter of 48 and an area of 144. That's how you handle a square. Make sure that you have these formulas easy and accessible for reference. All right, look at this second figure over here. Let's see, it doesn't have 4 equal sides, but it has 4 sides. This is clearly a rectangle. All right, rectangle. And a rectangle, to find the area, all you have to do is the length times the width. All right, so we have a length of 6 and a width of 5. So to find the area, I just do the length times the width. When I do 6 times 5, what do I get? 30. So this has an area of 30, just length times width for rectangles. To find the perimeter, formula is a little different. The perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So our length is 6, so it's 2 times 6 plus the width, which is 2 times 5. When I simplify this, I get 12 plus 10, and so the perimeter is equal to 22. So once again, just have these memorized, have these formulas ready to look at. The area is just length times width of a rectangle, and the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. All right, circles. Oh, damn it, I just gave you the answer. Well, yep, that's it. This is a circle. It's round. It's circle-like. We know how to do it. To find the area, the formula we're going to use is pi times the radius squared. So to find the area of this, it's going to be pi, which we're going to use as 3.14, times the radius, which is 4 squared. All you have to do from this point is just put this into your calculator, so that's what I'm going to do. And when I put that in the calculator, I get 50.24. So that's the area of this circle. The perimeter of a circle, another way to say that is the circumference. So this is the same thing as circumference when we're talking about perimeter. It's just the outside circumference. All right, is this formula, 2 times pi times the radius. So to find the perimeter or circumference, same thing, is 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is, in this case, 4. When I put this into my calculator, what I get is 25.12. And that is my perimeter, or circumference, because they're the same thing. And finally, we have triangles, all right, which is just the area equals 1/2 base times height. So to find the area, I would take 1/2 the base, which is 10. So 1/2 times 10 times the height, which is not 3, but 8. I put this into my calculator just like that, and I get 40. So this triangle has an area of 40. Oh, we forgot to put that up here, triangle. Okay, triangle, angle, and the perimeter, you just add up the three sides. So let's see, we got the perimeter is equal to 10 plus 3 plus, wait a minute, where's the third side over here? Oh yeah, I got these markings, which mean these two sides are congruent, so this is also 3. So it's 10 plus 3 plus 3, so the perimeter is equal to 16. All right, guys, as long as you have these formulas, you'll be fine for the rest of the volume unit.